Hello and welcome to Cooking the Books with Heather. Today we're going to have a quick recipe for you because we're going to be making Rodney's white barbecue sauce from Rodney Scott's World of Barbecue. This is sort of an Alabama white sauce recipe, which I really love, and I've been wanting some smoked chicken wings. So we're going to do that later today. So we're going to have these wings with that. So this is a sauce that you don't cook on the wings. I mean, you probably could, but usually you just serve it with the wings or on top of them after they've cooked. It's sort of a mayo-based sauce. So this one starts with ranch dressing, preferably Hidden Valley. We will need this whole container, and that might be the hardest part of this recipe. Just getting it all out. What I'm going to do is we now need some white vinegar, distilled white vinegar. So what I'm going to do is pour it into the bottle because I need this whole bottle. So I'm just going to rinse out the bottle using the vinegar. So we get all of it. And that means we'll get most of it. To this, we're going to add some mayo. Like I said, it is a mayo-based sauce. We also need some fresh lemon juice. Hopefully this should be just about exactly enough. Yeah, we're just going to put all of that in there. It's fine. We have some cayenne pepper, kind of a lot, but it makes a lot of sauce, so hopefully it won't be too spicy. Some fresh ground black pepper and some Diamond Crystal kosher salt. He does specifically say that. So if you don't use Diamond Crystal, there are conversions on the internet to get the right amount of salt if you don't have it. And we're just going to whisk it all up. We will let you know what we think about this on the chicken, but I am going to give it a little taste just because I'm concerned about the heat level. Very tangy, a little bit of heat at the very back of my mouth. It will change as it sits, as the spices sort of hydrate and mix in with everything else. So we'll see what it tastes like later. But for now, I'm not concerned. I think the kids will like it just fine. And my husband will probably put extra spice on his anyway. So anyway, he says this will store in the refrigerator in a sealed container for up to 3 weeks, which is good because this is a lot of sauce. But I know I like it, so we'll try to use it up. We will show you what it looks like on our chicken and let you know what we think of it in just a second. On this episode of Cooking the Books with Heather, you watched me make Rodney's white barbecue sauce from Rodney Scott's World of Barbecue. It's a very easy recipe because you start with mainly packaged ingredients. So you use some mayo and some ranch dressing, add a little lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. That's kind of the hardest part here. And just mix it all up and let it sit in the fridge. He says it makes 3.5 cups. It made plenty to fill my quart jar, like all the way to the top. So it was more like 4 cups. I probably should have done a half recipe. I really need to make some more chicken and serve it with that. But I will say that we used it. So we thought it was a little spicy as it was with a teaspoon of cayenne pepper in it. So I would half that maybe next time for my family. It's not over the top spicy, but it does sort of hit you in the back of the throat. So you can definitely change that to whatever level you want. You can just adjust that with the cayenne pepper because that's all that's spicy in this whole recipe. So feel free to up that if you like really spicy, or bring it down if you don't like spicy at all. I did take some of it and mix it with some sour cream to make a little bit of a dip for fresh vegetables. We had some, crudité, and it was ranch based, a little extra tangy, a tiny bit spicy, but the sour cream just sort of lessened the spicy a little bit. And that worked out really well. We might have to smoke a turkey breast again and use this on that. Otherwise, we're going to be making a lot of smoked chicken here because we need to, he says it will last for about 3 weeks in the refrigerator in a sealed container. So we're going to try to use it up. I really should have made a half recipe, but would be relatively easy given all of the proportions. You can take this up or down however much you need. But I like white sauce on chicken, this sort of Alabama white barbecue sauce on chicken, or I'm sure I would love it on turkey. And that smoked turkey breast from Sam Jones, I'll link that up there. That was so good. And it would be really good with this sort of on top as well. If you try this, let me know in the comments down below what you think. And if you love Alabama white sauce like I do, let me know. And if you've enjoyed watching me make this, please give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and come back and watch me make something else next week.